Hi there, welcome to another Arkesel tutorial. Today, we'll be diving into the Arkesel SMS API service. Here, I'll show you how to generate API keys and manage multiple API keys. To begin, log into your Arkesel account and head over to the dashboard. On the menu, select API. Here, you'll find three important sections. The main SMS API info section, Manage Multiple API Keys section, and SMS API detail section. First, the main SMS API info section. This holds your Arkesel account's main API key. If you don't have one yet, click on the Generate New Key button and update your API key. Now, let's move on to the second section, which is all about managing multiple API keys. This feature allows you to generate multiple API keys for your applications and allows you to limit the number of SMS each key can send. To add a new API key, simply click on the Add button. On the pop-up menu, give your key a name and click Generate Key to create a unique API key. By default, the Set Limit option is checked, allowing you to set a limit for the number of SMS this key can send. If you want it without any limit, simply uncheck the box. If you choose to set a limit, enter the desired amount in the SMS limit field, and click the Add button. Now the newly added API key should be added to your list. You can easily track the number of SMS remaining for a limited API key in the SMS balance field. To reset or increase the SMS balance of an API key, click Actions and then choose Reset Balance. This will reset the SMS balance to the set limit. You can also modify the SMS limit by selecting the Edit option, allowing you to adjust the SMS limit as needed. Lastly, in the SMS API detail section, you'll find the URLs for various Arkesel API features. These URLs are used in your code to request API calls. Here are the key features. SMS API URL for text plain SMS. SMS API URL for schedule SMS. Balance check URL. And finally, the contact insert API URL. Now, you've learned how to generate API keys and manage multiple API keys, along with an overview of the key API URLs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, simply refer to our API documentation by clicking the Arkesel Developers Documentation button, or feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.